In this question, it is given that let alpha is equal to 4i plus 3j plus 5k, beta equal to I plus 2j minus 4k. Let beta 1 be parallel to alpha and beta 2 be perpendicular to alpha. If beta is equal to beta 1 plus beta 2, then the value of this you have to find. This is suppose alpha vector and this is suppose beta vector. From here till here, that is this vector is projection of beta on alpha. That is, I can say this is a vector which is parallel to alpha, and according to triangle law of addition, this can be taken as beta 2 and this can be taken as beta 1 because these two vectors are satisfying the given condition also. Here beta is equal to beta 1 plus beta 2 by triangle law of addition, and beta 1 is parallel to alpha also, beta 2 is perpendicular to alpha also. And to find the value of beta 1 vector, clearly beta 1 vector is the projection of beta vector on alpha vector. Hence, by using formula, beta 1 vector is equal to beta dot alpha upon mod alpha square into alpha vector, that is equal to I plus 2j minus 4k dot 4i plus 3j plus 5k upon mod alpha square, that is under root 4 square plus 3 square plus 5 square whole square into 4i plus 3j plus 5k. This is equal to 4 plus 6 minus 20 upon 50 into 4i plus j plus 5k, that is equal to minus 1 by 5 into 4i plus 3j plus 5k. And because beta 2 vector is equal to beta minus beta 1, this is equal to I plus 2j minus 4k minus 1 by 5 into 4i plus 3j plus 5k. This is equal to 9 by 5 I, 13 by 5 j minus 3k. And because we had to find the value of this, and this is the value of beta 2 vector, that is 5 beta 2 vector is equal to 9i plus 13j minus 15k. Now 5 beta 2 vector dot I plus j plus k, I plus j plus k, I get 9i plus 13j minus 15k dot I plus j plus k is equal to 9 plus 13 minus 15, that is equal to 7. Hence I can say third choice is the correct choice.